Hello, nagluluto ka rin ba? Or mahilig ka magluto pero tinatamad ka kasi maghuhugas ka pagkatapos. And alam mo na mahirap maghugas lalo na kapag ang pans mo ay sticky. Or kaya daming naiiwan ng mga residue ng mga ulam. Ew! I really love to cook pero ayokong naghuhugas lalo na ng mga kawali. Meron na naman tayong i-unbox but this time, something that we can really use. This is a new brand. So for its price, ayaw mo pa rin? Bakit? Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It is another day and another unboxing. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Eliza and I do lifestyle contents and sometimes... I don't know. Lately, I have been in search for pans na magagamit ko talaga sa pagluluto. Kasi ako mahilig talaga ako magluto, lalo na anything saucy. So, na-realize ko, bakit kaya hindi ako bumili ng wok pan? So, ngayon, I'm super excited because this is the first time unboxing also. Hindi ko pa nakikita kung ano talaga yung itsura niya. And don't worry kasi there will be recipe videos coming along after this video probably. Or maybe, abangan nyo na lang. First of all, I'd like to say thank you to Panave for sending me a wok pan. I'm super duper happy. Magagamit ko na to sa pagluluto. So this is Panave Timeless Tools for Modern Cooks. This is PFOA free, 30 cm non-stick wok pan. And I'm super duper excited, so let's unbox it right away. Yon. Little ASMR. Kahit na binigay lang tong wok pan na to, magiging honest review to, lalo na kapag gagamitin ko na siya sa mga recipe videos ko. So, please stay updated. Charot! Magpo-post ako so we can really test it out. Abangan nyo na lang. Honestly, nagpupunta talaga ako sa mga department stores, sa mga appliance stores, and na-realize ko na ganun pala kamahal yung wok pan. So, I'm super happy kasi you know what? This is only 1,980 pesos and available to sa Instagram, Facebook, and sa Shopee. Ililink ko na lang down the description box below. But yeah, wait ba? Mabasag ko pa. Oopsie. Meron siyang kasamang kutsara. Hindi to kutsara. Meron siyang kasamang sandok. This one. Ooh, nice. For what you pay for, I'm sure you can get the quality also. It also comes with a lid, which is a plus point. Kasi alam nyo ba, sa paghahanap ko ng mga pans sa mga department stores, online, and even grocery stores or appliance stores, minsan, pag bibili ka ng wok pan sa kanila or ng iba't ibang klaseng pan, it doesn't come with any takip or lid. Eto, may kasama na siya. Meron pang spatula. Tapos, I really like how secured the packaging is. And, ang galing kasi, ayan o, ang daming bubble wrap. Tapos, may carton pa. So, makakasigurado ka na makakarating siya sa'yo ng maayos at hindi basag-basag. Okay. Oh, wow. Ang ganda guys. So, kita nyo. Haha. And this is tempered glass. Yes. Nag-glass and aluminum kami guys, so alam ko yung tempered glass from Not. So, by the sound of it, it sounds tempered. Ayan o, nakikita nyo ba? Like walang magsispill. Kasi look, double lining yung takip niya sa sides. Sigurado ka na hindi tatapon. And yung handle niya naka-screw. Hindi siya matatanggal basta-basta. Okay, on to the real deal. Excited na ako dito eh. First time ko kasi itong makikita. Oh ho ho! Ang ganda! OMG, sobrang excited ko na itry ito sa mismong lutuan. And, ang ganda ng bottom niya. Close up to the details, you guys. Ito pala ay Ilag Granitec. Ilag Granitec, for your information, is a high-performance non-stick coating developed by a Swiss company known for its non-stick coating. So guys, Swiss-made ang materials niya. So ano pa? Ano pang gusto mong proof? Grabe, tingnan mo yung quality. Tapos wait lang, napansin ko pa. Doon sa mga pants na usually nakikita ko sa mga department stores or kaya naman yung mga pants na meron kami dito sa bahay or yung mga na-try ko na, either may butas yung handle or kaya may screw yung handle. And for me, this one is a plus kasi nakadikit lang siya but it's still sturdy. It doesn't look flimsy at all. Hindi siya yung pag nalagyan mo na ng laman, baka matupi or maputol. Kasi hindi eh. Hindi naman tinatry ko. Ayaw talaga eh. Hindi. May screw siya sa ilalim, pero yung pinakataas niya is really nakadikit lang. Ang tendency kasi kapag ganun, which ayaw na ayaw kong nangyayari, is yung nalalagay yung ulam dito. Tapos may mga sauce na tumatapon. Tapos when you wash it, ang hirap linisin. Ang ending, mamumuo lang yung bacteria or yung germs doon, which we really don't like kasi we want always our food to be safe when we serve it to our loved ones. Since this is made with Ilag Granitec, you can really expect your pans to be highly non-stick, scratch-proof. And meron siyang abrasion resistance and you can really expect a durable pan with you. Okay, so let's talk about the advantages of having a die-cast aluminum cookware. First of all, meron siyang excellent heat distribution. You can really expect that it heats up quickly and evenly. Hindi iinit lang yung bottom, hindi iinit yung side, so maluluto ng equal yung dish mo. Number 2, having a die-cast aluminum cookware can really last you for years. Ayaw mo namang palit ka ng cookware lagi, diba? We always look for that affordable cookware and sometimes sa paghahanap natin ng affordable ones, nauuwi tayo sa papalit-palit which ends up na hindi tayo makakatipid. With this one, for only 1,980 pesos for a pan, lid, and then ito pang kasama niya na spatula. And then guys, true to its claims na talaga namang lightweight siya and very madaling hawakan. So this is lighter than cast iron but still super sturdy, making it easier for us to maneuver when we cook. This is naturally non-stick pala. That explains why. Kasi usually pag non-stick, may mga coating siya, diba? Parang shiny. Parang shiny yung nakikita ko sa mga department store eh. Tapos pag hinahawakan ko sila, hindi ganito yung feeling. Sana nafe-feel nyo siya. Yung feeling niya kasi is magaspang. Pakinggan nyo. Diba? Parang ang gaspang-gaspang niya. Sasama ko kayo sa journey ko with this wok pan. And let's see kung hanggang saan tayo aabutin nito. Guys, nagtitipid ka ba sa kuryente? Nagtitipid ka ba sa butane? Or nagtitipid ka ba ng gas? So, this is the answer to that problem because this is super energy efficient. Kasi it requires less heat to cook your food, meaning it saves you a lot of energy. Next naman is rust and corrosion resistant to. Unlike cast iron, yung mga die-cast aluminum cookwares, hindi sila nagra-rust. Hindi na sila kakalawangan yung mga nagba-brown-brown. So, let's wait also and see. And last but not the least, itong bottom niya. This shows na talagang very versatile yung pwede mong paglutuan or paggamitan nitong pan na to. You can use it sa mga electric stoves, induction cooker, or mga stove na normal, yung may gas, or even sa butane, mind you, pwede tong gamitin. So for its price, 1,980 pesos. Ayaw mo pa rin? Bakit? For 1,980 pesos ha, you get a pan, you get a lid, and meron ka pang sandok. Ano pang hinihintay nyo, guys? You can order from them, check out their links on Shopee, and also message them on Facebook and Instagram para naman you can also check out. Meron pa kasi silang isang variant, the frying pan. So yun lang. Ayaw mo pa rin ba? Di ka bibili? Well, hindi naman kita pipilitin. It's up to you to invest on a pan that you like. But for me, for its price and for the promising specs, I am really excited to be trying this out. And I can't wait to use this for my future cooking. So guys, that's it for this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing with me. Hindi ako culinary expert. I'm not a chef. I don't know a lot about pans, but I just know I love cooking and people around me really loves my luto. So, okay, no bashing. Bye! Bye! See you in my next vlog!